When you've completed your Powtoon, you're going to save by clicking on the Save button, and then you're going to create a shareable link. To create a shareable link, you're going to click on the Share icon, and then you're going to come down to Get Shareable Link and click Generate Link. You will get a notification that the link generated successfully, and then you can copy the link. You'll get the message that the link is copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste this link to your assignment submission. So from your English lab, you're going to click on Lab Assignment. You're going to click on Write Submission, and then you're going to paste your link in the text box. When you've done this, you can click Submit for grading.